Muqtadar Saab, we'd like to begin by asking you about the elections. Mohammed Yunus Saab has mentioned that they will be held, or they might be held towards the end of this year, and now we're also hearing that the students who played such a key role in the protests are going to form their own form their own political party, which will take part in these elections.
Thank you for having me. Yes, you are very correctly hearing whatever from Bangladesh. There's one of the biggest issue for now is the election, as major political parties and the people from Bangladesh are looking for a very fair and I would say the neutral election. So that's gonna be held probably this year or early next year. But unless until the government, which is we call the interim, they announce any particular schedule, we can't say that this is going to be happen.
Muqtadar Saab, what about these students who are now said to be forming a political party? Nahid Islam has resigned from his post in the government. Do you think they can emerge as an effective political party? Because I think one of the fears when the Awami League government fell was that the BNP perhaps is now too weak and the people were looking for a new option. Can the students provide that new option?
My answer is yes. There is huge expectation from the youngsters, I would say the students who basically join this revolution or mass uprising, whatever you say, and then they wanted to form a political party. Those youngster, even the youth who have been basically campaigning for their rights or like the voting rights for years, so they will be joining them. So there should be lots of space for them, and they are getting this. And so there was a demand from the main opposition, Bangladeshi main opposition party, which we call Bangladesh Nationalist Party. So they have been saying that if you want to do political, form a political party or into do politics, please leave the post and join to the political party. And Nahid is one of the face who has credible personality and one of the very clean image, most reliable, and who had sacrificed during the protest. So all this thing led him to lead this newly formed party, which is yet to be announced in a major scale. But they are going to do a lot of political activities in the days ahead.